Part 2 of the 2019 Fat Bob Screamin Eagle HP Cam. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Alright, so it's tough to hold the light and do everything with both hands, but hopefully this pops up better. The directions want you to use a 2/1000 shim on the side of the lifter as you're torquing the cuff down so that it doesn't like torque sideways and bind up the lifter. So we're looking all good. Everything moves nice and freely. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the rear, do the same thing, and then just it's the opposite of the disassembly. We're just going to put new gaskets on, put the lifter block on, and as far as adjusting the push rods correctly and all of that, check the link down in the description, but I'm just going to speed it up and keep on going. that's it. That was the test ride. Hopefully the audio came through with that. It was just about to rain. Like, I looked at my phone before we took the bike upstairs and it said it's gonna rain 9 minutes, so hurry up and rushed up there. The bike ran really well. I was expecting it to run kind of funny with that exhaust pipe on it and the air cleaner, but it ran probably as good as it can. So nothing more to do with that. That's exactly what the customer wanted. He wanted just the Screamin' Eagle base map in there, so that's what I did. Like I was saying, the bike ran really well. That exhaust pipe, I don't know if I said any good things about it earlier, but I'd probably take them back. I've had cans of pop where the can is made out of a heavier gauge piece of metal than that exhaust pipe. But it had a pretty good look. It sounded pretty good and it ran well, so it is what it is. But that bike's all buttoned up. She's ready to go home, and it's just on to the next project. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.